This is a typical Federation house with brick footings and a rear add-on extension about 10 years back. It was set on concrete strip footings. The owner had just recently bought the property and had experienced some internal wall cracks going on, which didn't sit well with them, as they were intending with the purchase to do internal renos to the kitchen. As you can see, the home had relatively recent tuck pointing done to the front, which looks very neat. The owners, wisely thinking, decided to call us in to sort out the footing problems before starting internal renos. What we found was that the house had been subject to pretty heavy root attack on 3 sides of the house. The driveway side not so much so we underpinned that side at 1.5 metre centres. The roots were extracted from the front and rear of the property where largish trees had been removed. These walls were then underpinned. The other side of the property bounding the church, where a large tree was and is still flourishing, we installed a root and moisture barrier, then paved it with concrete to really seal it up and divert away water from any overflowing gutters, downpipes, etc. The customers were fairly happy with the result, so I have included their final email here for your perusal. You may wish to watch our other underpinning project videos or download our ebook.